In this video, we're gonna show you how to watch YouTube TV on CarPlay. First, safety first. Apple designed CarPlay with driver safety in mind. Video playback is intentionally restricted to minimize distractions while driving. App restrictions. CarPlay only supports apps specifically designed for its interface. YouTube TV isn't among them. However, here are some workarounds. Audio playback. You can still listen to YouTube TV content in audio only mode through CarPlay. Screen mirroring. You can mirror your iPhone's screen to your CarPlay display, but video quality might be affected. This method might not be reliable and could be distracting while driving. Then third-party apps. Some third-party apps claim to enable video playback on CarPlay. These apps might require jailbreaking your iPhone, which can void your warranty and pose security risks. So that's how you can watch YouTube TV on CarPlay.